2. You ever feel like the romance in your relationship is fading? You're not alone. So many couples get comfortable and forget the little things that made them fall in love in the first place. You might be buying expensive gifts or planning big trips, but something still, it's like you're missing a secret ingredient. Well, here is a little secret from a love expert. The most powerful way to show you care isn't about grand gestures. It's about remembering the small details. Think about it. What's her favorite snack when she's stressed? What's that silly song he loves to sing in the car? Start paying attention to these tiny things. Mention something they told you weeks ago. Surprise them with their favorite coffee order. It shows you're truly listening and that you cherish every part of who they are. This is what builds deep, lasting connection. Try it out this week and watch the magic happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.